I'm Scott with Android Guys. Today we're going to unbox and take a look at the Pamu Z1 Pro wireless earbuds. This is from a brand called Padmate. We've seen a few of these come through the office here. We're going to unbox these, take a look at them, and I'm going to share a couple things with you that you should know about them. So let's jump right in, take a look, see what we've got here. So these are available now. They're about $130 suggested retail price. But at the time of recording this, I looked, they're about $99 on their website. So about $100 to $130 is what you'll expect to spend. These are available in black, white, and in a green color that have like a yellow accent. Very Green Bay Packers kind of color to them. So let's see what we've got in here. So a couple of things about these. They're Bluetooth 5.2, so that's the latest. They're going to give you about 10 meters distance, 30 feet from your device. That's par for the course. So you're going to find, if you want to put your headphones down while you're washing the dishes or cleaning the house, you can put the phone over here and put the case over there and then just walk around with them. But you can see that they come in a very small, very soft, pocketable kind of case. So you can actually carry this around. Doesn't take up much space at all, and it's smooth so it doesn't stick out. This will charge on the bottom. You can see there's a USB-C, but these also charge through Qi wireless charging. So if you've got a wireless charger or platter for phones and other devices, these will charge off of that as well. Opening them up, you can see that they're pretty small little case. This doesn't have a lot of bite to it, but there is a little bit of a magnetic hinge to that. Taking one out, it's kind of a hybrid between like a in-ear, just an earbud, but also a little bit of a stem. I believe there are some controls on here that you can do. Maybe pause, skip the tracks, turn the volume up. I'm not 100% sure on that yet. So these do come with, and they should be in the box here, some extra ear tips. And I believe you have 4 sizes. You've got small, medium, large, and I believe extra large is what they size them. So in the box here, I don't know if you can see all of it, but we've got a little pouch that you can put in if you want to carry that around, keep it protected for travel. Your short little USB-C. And then you've got your ear tips in this box here. And usually what I find is I'll put in the standard earbud just to see how they fit. Most times that works for me. Rarely I'll have to kind of maybe go smaller or bigger to find something that's comfortable. So struggling just a smidge here to get in. A couple more things about these. They have 6 hours playtime per charge. You will get up to 24, I believe, when you count the case. So that's going to charge it up about 3 times over. Pull that out. So these are your ear tips, and you can see they're clear, kind of white, semi-translucent tips. Just go right on there. They'll pop off as you need to. 3 active noise canceling modes, actually 2 if you think about it. One is on for active noise cancellation, the other is off. And then there's a transparent mode, which kind of lets you hear through and pick up ambient noise going on so that you're not completely stuck in your music. If you're listening for prompts, maybe the metro, so you know if you need to get off at your stop or somebody might be trying to get your attention. There is IPX4 water protection rating, so if you're wearing these and you get caught in the rain, splashes, maybe some workouts, moderate, a little bit of sweat, that type of thing, you should have no problem being able to withstand that and kind of do some general wipe down. A couple other things about them. You have an app that you can install on your phone, give you 6 equalizer settings. There's normal, where you just take whatever they give you, but you can also do things like jazz, classical music. I believe there's a vocal one, so that if you're doing like audiobooks or spoken word podcasts, things like that, you might want to adjust the setting and you'll hear a little bit different from that as well. All said, this is probably going to be something that It's kind of like an everyman kind of earbud. Nothing too extravagant, but I'm curious about how they sound, and we'll be putting these through the paces here over the next couple of days, a couple of weeks here with the holidays, just to see how they sound and stand up and find out if the battery lasts as long as they say they do. Again, these are the Pamu Z1 Pro, and they're about $130, maybe $99 if you're looking for them, maybe even on Amazon. Sometimes there's an instant discount. So check back and we'll tell you what we think about them.